people that are doing saga video is not content. My sister, do you know what it means to do a saga video? You will see. Please, when you are saying people don't have content, watch yourself first. Do you have content? You wake up in the morning, you no brush, you no do anything, you want to show us how a real housewife look like. My dear, all of us, we have ours, we know how our mothers look like.
Event planner.
Hello everybody, hey, hello everybody, hey, hello everybody, hey. Happiness is happiness is free. So everybody, today's video, I don't know if it's a rant, it's an educational video, or it's just me talking. Yes, today I want to tell you how to make money on YouTube, how to create content, how to mind your business, and how to stay focused. If that is a video you want to watch, please stick around because I know you will love this video. Yes, everything about this video is pim.
I'm sick on this unpredictable moves. I'm on a
I'm being opinionated right here. There are a lot of things going on YouTube. Some of us, we are doing as if we don't see. We see. See, when they tell you that you should be consistent, they are not telling you because they feel like talking. Just be consistent. One day YouTube will pick you. It will pick you. Being consistent, you know, we should be doing silent LS. Some people will just do silent LS from January to December. Create content. See, anybody that will come and tell me, Nelo no get content, this person no, I will give you woto. I will give you, do you have content? People that are always running from one place to another, they are the ones that don't even have content. When we talk about content, if we come to your page, are we going to see one thing that we'll watch? We are not going to see anything. If you notice, it's people that don't even have content. They are the ones that talk anyhow. They are the ones that jump from one place to another. They are the ones that be like, this person no get content, that one no get content. Some people are like, people that are doing saga video is not content. My sister, do you know what it means to do a saga video? You will sit down, go to watch their channel, go back, come back, sit down, write a script and talk about this. Even like people that are doing saga is not a content. My sister, try it and see. That time you will know that you go hang. People will come like, Choice TV, that is not a content. Hello, Choice TV, apart from doing live, she have videos she does, she uploads. She have a second channel, motherhood channel. Do you know what it means for her to be feeding those two channels and she's consistent? Choice TV can do like 3 live streams a day and she will still upload videos on those channels, well edited. Please, when you are saying people don't have content, watch yourself first. Do you have content? Do you have content? Maybe because you're lucky, a big YouTuber promotes you, a big YouTuber push you. Some of us, we don't have umbrella. We are the one pushing ourselves. Maybe today algorithm will remember us. Or today one big YouTuber will just be like, this guy is trying, let me help her. We are creating content. We are pushing. So if you want to succeed on Whitey Street, I tell you, no capping, no cap. Create content, keep creating, keep uploading. Whether you have 5 views, tomorrow upload. You have 10 views, tomorrow upload. You have 20 views, next tomorrow upload. But upload content that makes sense, that add value to the society, that add value to you. I have a lot of content, I'm not even proud to upload them. I create content, and guess what? After finish editing, after exporting, I watch my video before I put it on air for people to see. Because I'll be like, if I don't enjoy this myself, why will I suffer somebody to watch this? You put a video of a road, you are filming road for 10 hours, and you want me to sit down 10 hours and watch that video with my own data, and you have the guts to come and say that people are not watching your video. My sister, buckle up. Whitey is not for the faint-hearted. If you don't get heart, stay your house. Stay your house. So I'm here to educate you. And another thing again I want to talk about, Whitey is a business. If you are here for passion, good for you. Please be passionate and come to my page and be watching. Whitey is business. If you are not ready for business, move. Every day you wake up with money face. We don't tire of money face. You wake up in the morning, you no brush, you no do anything. You want to show us how a real housewife look like. My dear, all of us, we have ours. We know how our mothers look like. We know how we look like when we wake up. Please, once in a while, we are tired of money face. Rub small powder, put small lipstick. Package. From January to December, you're the same. There's no progress. There's no progression. There's something wrong. For me, I just feel there's something wrong. Yes. From January, make progression. Make progress with your life. You, as you're watching yourself with that money face, do you like it? Forget that people are watching you, but they will not tell you the truth. Some of people like me, I will tell you the truth. Big up. Wise up. Give us something new. Give us something fresh. Yes, you're doing cooking and nobody is watching your cooking and you complain. I don't tire to cook. Oh, nobody watch my cook. Will you cook more than flour or you cook more than City Yamisi? You cannot cook more than them on Whitey Street. So what do? You add spice to your cooking. That brings me to Ogum series. Ogum cook, but she adds spice to her cooking. She does not cook for the whole 10 minutes. Ogum will put a 14-minute video. It's not cooking. She's cooking. But she's cooking. She's giving us gist. There's a vlog in it. She's adding her family. She's adding something. She's just adding value to the video. So it's not just all about cooking. There is a value added in the video. So you are cooking, you are complaining. Go and watch the video. Watch what they are doing different. Watch what they are doing differently. And if you think that niche is not working to you, my sister, swap. That is why it's called your TV station. If you don't want to watch sport, you go watch education or you go comedy. If you think this thing you're doing is not working, my sister, swap. Don't care what anybody will say. People will be like, this girl was preaching, all of a sudden she has swap. Hello, some big YouTuber you know today, they didn't start from where they started. They did not start from where you know them. Yes, some of them started with makeup. Some started with review. Some started with interview. Some started with vlog. Variety is the spice of life. People get tired of you. People get tired of your channel. People get tired of what you're doing. So basic thing, what you will do is add the spice to it. What do people want to see? What are the new things you want? A lot of YouTubers have changed their niche. They've added things. Let's go to Dyna Ekwueme. I use her as my referee because I love that lady so much. Yes. She does vlog. She does interview. She does collaborations with people. Yes. She does collaborations with people because she needs new audience. She needs new subscribers. She needs new ideas. What idea are you bringing to the table? Ask yourself, what idea am I bringing to the table? You are doing as Mrs. Food. You are doing mukbang. Mukbang from January to December, only you mukbang. I will come and sit down with my data and watch you eating. The worst part is if you are eating and talking or discussing, I'm okay. You're eating, you are not talking, you are not discussing. I will sit down and watch you eat for 10 minutes. Does that make sense to even you? Your thumbnail is good, fine. Does that make sense? Please add something to it and stop complaining. And stop complaining. Add value. Nobody said you should have one niche. Nobody said you should have 2 niches. Nobody says you have 3. My sister, do whatever pleases you. It's your TV station. But what I'm saying is, give us something to come back to. Give us something to watch. Some people just go to people's channel to watch them because they are beautiful. They know they are going to see fine face at the end of the day. It's enough. Stop giving us money face. We are tired. We are tired. Give us something fresh. Give us something unique. Give us something sweet. Now, why would they suffer us like this? We are tired of money face. Something fresh. We want something new. We want something fresh. We want something. So, guys, I'm also a growing YouTuber, but these are the things I notice, yes, and I want to bring it to people. And if you want to make money, create content. If you don't create content, you know if you make money. You have to create content, rebrand yourself. If you feel maybe your branding, what you're seeing, you don't like it, rebrand it. Some of us are rebranding ourselves. We are doing makeup, we are doing hair, we are having better videos. There are videos that we don't do makeup because it can't expect me to be going to farm and I'm doing makeup. It doesn't work that way. Rebrand yourself. You want people to come and meet you to do collaboration. Rebrand yourself. You want people to give you their product to sell. Rebrand yourself. Sell. Speak well. Be eloquent. If you cannot speak swear, speak good English. If you cannot speak cook, speak broken, but make sense in your broken. That's what I'm saying. Do it well. Don't envy anybody on these streets. Everybody get their story. Don't envy anybody. One reason I will tell you not to envy somebody. I know somebody that she was at 3K views, 3K subs. 3K subs. Within 1 week, she rose from 3K to 80 sub. As of the time I'm doing this video today, she's at 80 sub in 1 week. One of her video went viral. The video went from 1K view to 36 million views. So on this YouTube street, anything can happen. Be consistent. Give us content. YouTube is content. If you're not giving us content, what are you doing here? Give us content. Upload video. And don't be everywhere and be nowhere. Only you are everywhere. Every LS, you are there. Everywhere. But go to your channel, you're not creating content. Create content. Make yourself visible. If you don't make yourself visible, nobody will see you. You have to sell yourself before others will see. Sell yourself. This thing na market. Sell your market. If you don't sell your market, maybe me go come sell your market for you. Sell your market. What are you selling? What product are you selling? What do you want me to come and buy? Sell your market and sell it very well. If you are not having gain, change business. That is YT for you. Nobody should tell you, hey, niche down, niche up, niche down. They will confuse you. They will confuse you and confuse your life. Do what suits you. Just because somebody said you should niche down, and I say, okay, let me go and start cooking. I don't have money to cook food. What do? Or you want to go and start doing makeup. You don't have money to buy makeup product. Do what is within your reach. Do what is within you. If you know you want to be doing vlogs is within your reach. You're not paying money to do vlogs, then do vlogs. Do you understand? But give us meaningful vlogs. Not that every vlogs you are giving us vlog every day. You're eating. Hello, what is it? What is your family problem? And for those that always complain that people don't have content, before you open your mouth and say somebody don't have content, do you have content? Judge yourself. Do you have content? This is where I'm going to end this video today. My name is Pat. Pat. If this video have added value to your life, please put it in the comment section below. Comment, like, share to your family and friends, and come back. Am I not beautiful enough? Come now, so that my glow can be glowing. This hair is by V. Hair by V. And makeup is by V. Makeup by V. The same person. She made this makeup for me for free. If you want to do your makeup, she's right here in Abuja. To put her Facebook handle right there, or you can contact me and tell you. That's why she'll come and make you up. Any makeup at all, she will. So guys, bye. Take care and be consistent and have sense. Bye.